Hey there, fellow future business moguls. In this video, I'm breaking down Shopify in a way that actually makes sense, especially if you're just starting out and thinking, wait, what even is this thing? And can I actually make money with it? Short answer, yes. Long answer, well, that's what this Shopify Tutorial 2025 is all about. Let's go. So, how do you build a Shopify store? First things first, head over to Shopify using the link in the description. Signing up is super simple. You'll get a 3-day free trial, which is perfect for exploring everything the Shopify online store has to offer. After that, the first 3 months are just $1 per month. Pretty cool, right? It gives you a chance to start selling without having to make a big commitment up front. Once the trial ends, the regular plan comes in at around $39 per month, which gives you access to all the standard tools and capabilities. Once you've set up your account by following the simple on-screen prompts, you'll land on the Shopify admin dashboard, your control center where all the magic happens. The home section gives you an overview of your store's key metrics like sales and recent activity. In the Orders tab, you can view and manage everything from pending to fulfilled customer orders. Then there's a Products section, where you'll add and edit inventory, track your stock levels, and organize items into collections. The Customers section stores all your customer information, including profiles and order histories, perfect for building personalized marketing strategies. Over in Analytics, you'll find detailed reports to track sales and customer behavior. The Marketing tab lets you create and manage campaigns, while Discounts is where you set up promo codes. The Shopify Apps section connects you to the App Store for adding extra features to your store. In the online store area, you'll manage your site's design, choose themes, and create key pages like About and Contact. And finally, the Settings section is where you configure payment methods, shipping, and all your general preferences. Take your time exploring, no need to rush. Once you're familiar with these tools, managing your store will feel second nature. Next up in my Shopify website builder tutorial, it's time to add some products. Click on Products in the left-hand menu, then select Add Product. This is where you'll showcase everything your store has to offer. Start with a clear, catchy product title, something that grabs attention and says exactly what it is. Then move on to the description. This is your chance to really sell it. Highlight key features, benefits, dimensions, materials, and anything that sets your product apart. Make it detailed but easy to read, so potential customers feel confident and excited to hit buy. After that, it's time to upload some eye-catching images. High-quality photos are crucial. They help customers visualize the product and play a big role in whether they decide to buy. Use multiple images to show off different angles, close-ups, or how the product is used in real life. Once your visuals are in place, set your price. Factor in your cost, your competitors, and your ideal profit margin. You can also add product variants, like sizes, colors, or styles, so shoppers can choose exactly what they want right from the product page. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, don't forget to click Save. You can always add more products later, but starting with a few well-crafted listings helps you test and refine your store's layout and design more effectively. This foundational step sets the tone for your brand and plays a key role in creating a smooth, professional shopping experience. Shopify has tons of beautiful themes to choose from, over 100 free and paid options. These themes are pre-built templates that help you kickstart your store design, allowing you to create a professional-looking online presence without needing extensive design skills. Each one comes with its own layout, style, and built-in features tailored to specific business types. To check them out, head to the Shopify Themes store, where you can filter themes by industry, design style, and functionality. Whether you want something sleek and minimal, bold and colorful, or refined and elegant, there's a theme that'll match your brand's vibe perfectly. When you find a theme you like, click Try Theme to add it to your theme library. This lets you test and customize it before making it live. No pressure. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try out a few different themes to see which one best complements your products and branding. Once you've added a theme, head into the customization options where you can tweak colors, fonts, and layouts to match your vision. Many themes also include built-in features like image sliders, product galleries, and customizable sections, so you can easily highlight your best-selling items or tell your brand story in a visually engaging way. Take your time exploring until you find a theme that truly reflects your brand's personality and goals. Remember, your theme isn't just about looks, it's the foundation of your customer experience. Choose one that's not only visually appealing, but also intuitive to navigate. A clean, well-structured design can help keep visitors on your site longer and guide them smoothly from browsing to checkout. Now, how to make your online store feel truly yours. Head to the theme section and click Customize. This is where the real fun begins, because now you get to shape your store to match your brand. Inside the live editor, you'll see your storefront in real time as you tweak layouts, add content blocks, swap out images, adjust colors, and fine-tune typography. Play around with different sections, test what feels right, and don't be afraid to experiment. It's your brand. Your store should reflect it. Start by uploading a high-resolution logo that represents your brand well. A great logo is essential for building recognition and trust. Next, explore the options to adjust your colors and fonts. Choose a color palette that aligns with your brand's personality and evokes the right emotions in your customers. For fonts, pick styles that are visually appealing and easy to read. In the live editor, you can also customize individual pages like your homepage, product pages, and any additional content pages you've created. Add sections such as banners, featured products, testimonials, or blog posts to enhance the user experience. The drag and drop functionality makes it easy to rearrange elements until you find the perfect layout. Don't forget to customize your footer and header. These are essential for navigation and brand visibility. In these sections, you can add links to important pages, social media icons, and your contact information. As you make changes, take a moment to preview your site on different devices. Shopify's customization tools let you see how your store appears on both mobile and desktop, helping ensure your design is responsive and user-friendly across all platforms. Your Shopify store comes with a few pre-built pages, but you can easily add more to improve the customer experience. Consider adding an About page to share your story, values, and mission. This personal touch helps build trust and connection with your audience. A contact page is also essential, giving shoppers a simple way to reach out with questions or concerns. To add a new page, just go to Online Store in the left-hand menu, then click on Pages. From there, select Add Page. Enter a clear title and fill in your content using the rich text editor. You can format text, insert images, and even embedded videos. This gives you the flexibility to create engaging, informative pages that connect with your audience. Once you've created your pages, don't forget to link them in your navigation menu so customers can easily find them. This is key for a smooth user experience and helps guide visitors through your site. Now, let's talk about apps. Apps can greatly enhance your store's functionality and simplify your daily operations. The Shopify App Store has thousands of tools for everything from inventory management to marketing and customer engagement. To explore them, go to Settings and click on Apps and Sales Channels. You can browse featured apps or use the search bar to find something specific. For example, if you're looking to boost your visibility in search engines, search for SEO tools to help improve your rankings. Other popular categories include apps for email marketing, social media integration, customer reviews, and analytics. Each app provides a short description and user reviews to help you evaluate its usefulness before installing. Once you find one that fits your needs, just click to install it and follow the setup instructions. Most apps have user-friendly interfaces, making it easy to integrate them seamlessly into your existing workflow. Getting your shipping settings right is key to delivering a smooth shopping experience. To begin, go to your store settings and click on Set Your Shipping Rates. Shopify will automatically generate shipping zones based on the regions you plan to serve, but you can easily customize these to suit your business needs. For instance, you can set different rates for domestic and international shipping, or adjust pricing based on order value. A common tactic is offering free shipping, which can boost customer satisfaction and improve conversion rates. One way to do this is by building the shipping cost into your product pricing. This way, customers feel like they're getting a better deal, which often encourages them to follow through with their purchase. Utilizing Shopify shipping is another smart way to streamline your shipping process. It gives you access to discounted rates on shipping labels from major carriers like USPS, UPS, and DHL, helping you cut down on fulfillment cost. You can also tailor shipping methods to match your customers' preferences, whether they want standard, expedited, or overnight delivery. So you're offering flexibility while keeping operations efficient and budget-friendly. Now let's talk about getting paid. Head over to Settings and select Payments. Here, you can activate Shopify Payments, the platform's built-in payment processor. One of the biggest perks of using Shopify Payments is that it eliminates additional transaction fees for sales processed through it. helping you save money and simplify your setup all at once. In addition to Shopify payments, you can connect other payment gateways like PayPal, Stripe, or Apple Pay to give your customers more flexibility at checkout. You can also enable manual payment methods such as cash on delivery or bank transfers to accommodate a wider range of preferences and ensure a smooth shopping experience for everyone. Before officially launching your store, it's a good idea to place a test order to make sure everything runs smoothly. Head over to the Launch Your Online Store section and follow the steps to place a test order. Try out different payment methods and shipping options to ensure everything functions as expected. This step is key to spotting any issues ahead of time and making sure your customers enjoy a seamless shopping experience right from the start. Your domain name is your store's online address and a key part of building a strong brand identity. By default, Shopify gives you a myshopify.com URL, which works, but it's not ideal for branding. To look more professional and make your store easier to find and remember, consider getting a custom domain. You can purchase one directly through Shopify or connect a domain you already own. A personalized domain instantly boosts your credibility and helps you stand out from the crowd. Once you've secured your domain, it's time to choose a plan that fits your business needs. Head to store settings and click on Pick a Plan. Shopify offers several tiers: Basic, Shopify, Advanced, and Plus. For most solo entrepreneurs or small businesses, the basic plan is a great starting point. It includes all the essential features at an affordable price. And don't worry, you can always upgrade later as your store grows. So there's no pressure to pick the perfect plan right away. Now you've reached the final step of your setup. While you're building, Shopify keeps your store password protected so the public can't access it. When everything looks good and you're ready to launch, just head over to the Launch Your Site section and remove the password. Your store will then be live and ready for visitors. Before launching, take a moment to review your entire store. Make sure all your pages are complete, your product listings are accurate, and your shipping and payment settings are properly set up. Once you hit that launch button, your store goes live and you're officially open for business. Congratulations on making it this far. You're now ready to share your unique products and brand with the world. Embrace the journey ahead. Keep engaging with your customers and don't be afraid to tweak and improve your store based on their feedback. Happy selling. Now, a lot of people ask, how much does Shopify take from a $100 sale? Shopify's monthly plans start at $39, and they also charge a transaction fee, typically around 2.9% plus 30 cents per sale if you're using Shopify payments. So for a $100 sale, you'd lose about $3.20 in fees, leaving you with roughly $96.80. Not bad considering they're handling payment processing and store infrastructure for you. Just note, if you use third-party gateways like PayPal or Stripe, there could be additional fees on top of that. Can you actually make a living from Shopify? The answer is yes, tons of people do. Whether you're dropshipping, selling handmade items, running a print-on-demand shop, or launching digital products, Shopify is one of the easiest platforms to start and scale a business on. Of course, it's not a magical ATM. You'll still need to market your store, find products people want, and deliver solid customer service. But if you're committed and willing to put in the effort, there's real income potential here. But is Shopify actually worth it? I hear this one a lot. And honestly, for most people looking to start an online business, the answer is yes. Sure, there are cheaper options out there. Hostinger's Easy E-commerce Builder is one of the most affordable tools for selling online, but it lacks an app marketplace and can be pretty restrictive for more complex projects. Wix gives you more customization and flexibility at a lower cost, but it's built for all kinds of websites, so it's easy to get overwhelmed by tools you might not even need. Shopify, on the other hand, is beginner-friendly, scalable, secure, and integrates with just about every major app or tool you'll want. You're not just paying for a website, you're paying for a platform that can fully support and grow with your business. So, if you're a beginner thinking about jumping into e-commerce, Shopify is easily one of the best places to start. It's not perfect, but it's incredibly beginner-friendly, packed with essential tools, and yes, you can start making money with it today. Just don't expect overnight success. About 70% of your store's success depends on your own effort, strategy, and consistency. Start smart, test things out, learn as you go, and grow at your own pace. Now you know exactly how to build the Shopify store of your dreams. So get started and make it happen. That's all the advice I've got for this Shopify website builder tutorial. If you haven't grabbed Shopify yet, use the Shopify discount link in the description or scan the QR code on the screen to get started. If this video helped you out, hit that like button and drop a comment, whether it's a request for future tutorials or your own tips on how to start an online business. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.